all you're going to say is that the meat, you've marinated the meat with yogurt and mixed spices, and the spices are here, so you can show it. These are the mixed spices. This is, what do you call this? This yellow thing.
Welcome back to Dardasha. Today we're cooking Middle Eastern food, which is why I'm wearing sandals. Thanks for joining us. So far, so good. We've got the chicken.
Meat.
With meat. Oh, is it meat?
Yes.
What meat is it?
Beef.
Lamb or beef.
Lamb.
In there, you've got the garlic and some kind of sauce, which I think involves yogurt. With the yogurt, you've got biryani, we've got something else.
It's mixed spices.
Mixed spices.
That's not what this is in the bottle.
No, different bottle. This looks like turmeric, I think. Yet again, in a different container. Always reuse your containers. And also, is this what this says? Soy, ginger and garlic paste. This smells like unmistakably cardamom.
Yes.
The seeds with a very pungent aroma. So all that is going to go, or has been put on the chicken, not chicken, meat, lamb or beef, whichever you like, bit of both. And we're going to put it on low heat. So we're putting that all together, whack it in. Give it a good stir. Do I give it a good stir? Yeah. Okay. Really stir it up, and then you're going to put the top on. Is that it? Just leave it like that. For the Arabic audience, أهلا وسهلا. اليوم نحن في المطبخ. هذا لحم مش دجاجة. It's meat, not chicken.
وإيش كمان؟ البصل، كيف قطعت البصل؟
بصل garlic? No. What is basil? Garlic.
Garlic ثوم.
Thumb. What's basil? Got onions.
أيوة.
Jazine. We're putting the lid on.
الغطاء.
And we'll leave it for how long?
يعني حتخليه على لو هيت على درجة حرارة واطية.
رقم 3.
نحطه على رقم 2 أحسن.
Turn it down a little bit.
أيوة.
And how long do we leave it for?
Leave it for an hour. Half an hour to an hour and then come and check.
Half an hour to an hour?
Say half an hour.
Okay.
And then come and check.
خليها لنص ساعة. So now we're ready to put the rice in with the meat. This rice is not fully cooked, it's half cooked because the remainder of the cooking process will happen in here, in with the meat, to really get the flavour into the rice. So I'm going to take this off. Oops, okay, most of it went in, that's good. 1 spoonful of mixed spices should be enough.
Tiny. No,
oh, really?
Much less. Even less.
That much?
Even less.
Even less?
Yes, even less.
Even less?
Yeah, you're just spreading it.
That much? All over?
Yeah. As a flavour.
Get a wooden spoon and you really want to flatten it out so that the rice is nice and flat. Yeah. And when I say flat, I mean that it's level. You might be surprised. We're going to put some coal in here. And put it in the rice. Is it ready for that? This is why we needed the rice to be really flat. I need to pick this up and it's really proving problematic. Okay, into that goes a piece of coal and we whack that on top. This is going to get the smoky flavour for you. Yeah, I've just put coal, smoking hot coal, in with the rice, in with the meat, and that's going to cause a flavour infusion.